Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. I have a special treat. We're gonna be making these Guatemalan enchiladas, and I promise you that these will be one of the most insanely delicious foods that you will ever eat in your life. Stay tuned to see exactly what these are. Okay, so to start these enchiladas, they're gonna have different layers. I'm starting off by boiling 1.5 pounds of beef. I'm gonna boil this just until it's fully cooked with a bit of water and a spoonful of consomme. Once this is cooked, I'm then gonna transfer it into my food processor and pulse this until it resembles these finely chopped pieces, and I'm gonna put that off to the side. For the next layer, we're going to be making some pickled vegetables. These are 3 beets going into my pot, along with 2 pounds of carrots and green beans, which have been chopped up into very small pieces. I'm going to add about 8 cups of water, and this is going to boil just until the beets are fully cooked and softened. Once you're able to easily stick your knife inside of the beets, you're then going to add 1 head of shredded cabbage and cook this a minute longer just until the cabbage is wilted. You're then going to strain all of your vegetable mixture, and I'm going to peel off all the skin from the beets and finally chop them into small pieces. All of these boiled vegetables are then going to get fried into this big skillet with 3 tablespoons of oil, along with a teaspoon of dried thyme, 3 bay leaves, some chopped cilantro, and a large sliced white onion. We're going to season this with a spoonful of salt and a bit of black pepper, and this will then lastly get 2/3 cups of apple cider vinegar added over the top. Stir everything together and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. The last part I wanted to show you is how to make this very simple salsa that will be poured over the top of these enchiladas. This is 2 tomatoes and a half of a white onion that's going to get cooked with a cup of water. This only takes about 5 minutes. Once your tomatoes are soft, drain out a bit of the excess water, and with a teaspoon of salt, I'm going to be then blending this together into a liquid, and then it'll be brought up back to a simmer with 1 teaspoon of oil until it has thickened and changed a bit of its color. And now for the part we've all been waiting for. It's time to assemble these enchiladas. I have here 1 tostada, which is a deep fried tortilla. I'm placing a piece of lettuce as my first layer, and I'll then be spooning on top of that lettuce some of the pickled vegetables. These have an incredible taste from the beets and all of those herbs. It really just adds its unique taste to this dish. Next layer goes all of that chopped beef. This adds heartiness to the enchilada and an incredible taste with all of those pickled vegetables. For the next topping, I'm adding some queso fresco or cotija cheese. This is a fresh cheese, which is spongy-like in texture and crumbly. This could be found in your Latin supermarkets. Then goes my favorite part, the sliced hard-boiled egg. This part not only looks incredible on top of that enchilada, it also adds to the uniqueness of the completed taste. A sprinkling of chopped parsley is then being added, and a few rings of crunchy onion. Top this off with the salsa we made, and your Guatemalan enchilada is complete. All of these flavors and textures together complement each other so well. I really hope you try it out one day so you can taste for yourself the true flavors of Guatemala. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on all of my quick videos, which are uploaded every other day, and they always have a unique twist to them. Thanks so much for watching.